Hi, my name is Corey Cano and this is my 2017 bike check. I'm sorry about the wait because the last webisode I told you that I'm going to have one of these and that was a while ago, so let's get it popping now. Alright, so to start off this bike check, we got the ODI Barnes with the Cold AK grips. I like the way they wear down. They're really soft at the beginning when you first buy them, and they just like last very long for me. For the bars, we got the 9.4 Rise Fit Scumbag bars by Brandon Began, and the stem is the Shadow Chula. It's nice. It has a lot of rise on it. Makes me do a lot of good boss spins. So yeah. And the headset is the Colt Maintain Everyday headset. It's really good. Nice shit. Spins really good. It's silent. Hasn't broke on me yet. Duh. Next we have the Odyssey Dirt Forks. They're really old, like really old. They were probably made in like 2012. And then to that we have the Primo N4 FL. I think it's like the first version of it. It's laced to the Primo 7000 series rim. Very strong. On the left side peg we have the Primo Binary, and then the right side is a Colt Butter. They slide really great and they wear down really slow. Okay, so next we have the Colt DAC V3 frame in 20.75. It's very strong. It's very light. It's made for street riding, as what I do. Next we have the Sabrosa Layback seat post. I don't really like it that much because of the feeling, but you know, I'm not rich, so I'll ride it. Then we have the Demolition Mike Hucker seat and the floral. From there we have the E-Claw bottom bracket. It spins really good. I don't do crank flutes, but I haven't had problems out of it, and I've got it for like a year now. From there we have the Stranger Mass V2 cranks in raw. They are 22 millimeter and 175 millimeter long length and crank arm. Alright, so my friend Mark Ray jumped on my bike and did a crank flip down the wedge because, like I said, I can't crank flip. My feet just don't move like that, but I had him do that because I wanted to prove that my bottom bracket is really good and that it spins well. But back to the bike check, we have a Primo Solid Guard 25 tooth. It's really strong. For the pedals we have the Colt DAC. The pins last forever unless you like put them down when you're trying to grind or you shred them on anything. Otherwise the pins would be like destroyed. For the chain we have the Shadow interlock. It's really good. The only time I've ever broke it is when the pin like popped out of the link, but other than that I've never actually snapped one. For the tires we have the BSD Donna Squeaks in the sand color. So yeah. Alright, so back to the bike check. With my back wheel, the rim is the Odyssey Hazard. It's an older one, but it's still just as strong. The Odyssey rims are really good. So are the G Sports, but I picked Odyssey or G Sports over fucking most, so like Colony, I don't like them. But yeah, anyway, the back hub is a E-Claw Cortex LHD free coaster. I have no skipping problems. They spin, they always engage, no slippage. For the left peg, I have a Federal. For the right, I have a Cold Butter, just like the front. They slide great. For the guards, I have two G-Sport Uni guards that go over the frame and over the hub, so you don't have to stretch the frame at all. But yeah, when I usually hit them, they slide, so they're really good and strong. Alright, so thank you for watching my 2017 bike check, and now we're gonna have Andrew and all of us do bike tricks. So yeah, thank you, and please subscribe.